Hey guys. Okay, so I'm coming at you today because I wanted to share that I did something last night that kind of revolutionized my entire hair care game, okay? Y'all know I'm lazy. Y'all know I don't use products, all right? So I use my sebum. I know it's weird, but it's not because I've been doing it for 2 years now and my hair loves it. I use my sebum and that's it. So we're gonna skip all the history. Basically, I did something last night and it was so dope that I had to stop. I stopped halfway and I was like, wait. I grabbed my camera. I was like, I need to record this because I'm pretty sure whatever is happening here on my hair, like everyone else will enjoy. So I may or may not, no, I will edit and upload that tonight, but I just want to show y'all that my hair is like curly again. Can we talk about this? Because I was basically like, like I was freaking out. As you know, I was freaking out. I was like, is it that I'm detangling it too much with the tangle teaser? Like what's going on, you know? But my curls are back. My hair is bouncy. It's strong. It's soft. Smells good. It's always smelling good, but it smells good. And yeah, it just feels like it's regular self again. I mean, okay, and I rinsed my hair with hard water this morning, so like my hair is kind of freaking out. But for the most part, I can say these three things, okay? I will edit and upload it tonight so y'all can see because I'm pretty sure it's going to be a game changer for y'all too if you're not already doing it, okay? Number one, I have been rinsing my hair more. I've stopped being lazy and I'm rinsing my hair a lot more, and that has allowed my sebum to travel further down my strands and do the dang deal, all right? And two, what have I been doing? Oh, I stopped using as much hot water. I realized halfway, I was like, you know what? We know this game. We know how to do this. Like, I don't need hot water. My scalp is not dirty. It's not dirty, okay? And my sebum is not so thick that I need to have like boiling hot water or whatever to bring it down my hair strand. So I stopped using hot water. I started using like lukewarm water, which is very important again. And then thirdly, this rice water concoction thing, whatever that I did, it's just so bomb. It was just so bomb. Like, I can't. So I really hope that y'all enjoy it. I will try to edit it on my phone and upload it because my computer is just, okay. So I'll try my best and I'll have it for you guys. But for the most part, love it, love it, love it. And I will probably be doing it like twice a week. Don't hold me to that. If you know anything about me or my channel, I'm not consistent. Try to be, but I suck because that's real life. But yeah, so I just wanted to share that with y'all. I'm mostly just very happy that my curls are more like, they're out here, you know, they trying to live too. And I think I might grow my hair out, real talk. I like keeping my hair short. Like I cut it, I give myself trims, but I cut my hair and I'm just like, oh, this is great. It's shorter and it's like less work. But I think I'm gonna try growing my hair out. We'll see how this works. My hair is very faithful, if you don't know. Very faithful. So we'll see. Anyway, I just wanted to share that. I'm gonna spritz my hair and do something different. Not different. I don't have time. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna spritz it and go. But I hope you stay tuned for that video because it's probably, most likely, absolutely gonna change your life. Okay? All right. Okay, bye.